Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an incredibly informative video for you. We'll be discussing one of the most effective drinks to control diabetes. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. And if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. All right, let's get started. Living with diabetes can be challenging, but with proper management, you can lead a healthy and fulfilling life. One way to support your diabetes management is by incorporating certain drinks into your daily routine. Today, we're going to share one of the most effective drinks that can help control diabetes. Drum roll, please. The most effective drink for controlling diabetes is actually simple and readily available to all of us. It's water. Yes, good old H2O. Let's dive into why water is so important and how it can benefit individuals with diabetes. First and foremost, staying hydrated is crucial for everyone, especially for individuals with diabetes. When you're well hydrated, your body functions optimally, including your blood sugar regulation. Drinking an adequate amount of water helps your kidneys flush out excess glucose, reducing the risk of high blood sugar levels. Additionally, water supports the transportation of nutrients and oxygen throughout your body, which is essential for overall health and well-being. Another significant benefit of water for people with diabetes is its role in weight management. Drinking water helps you feel full, reducing the temptation to snack on unhealthy foods. This can aid in weight loss or maintenance, which is crucial for managing diabetes effectively. Remember, maintaining a healthy weight can positively impact your blood sugar levels and overall diabetes management. When we talk about effective drinks for diabetes, it's crucial to address what to avoid as well. Sugary beverages like soda, fruit juices, and energy drinks can cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels, which can be harmful to individuals with diabetes. By choosing water over sugary drinks, you're making a smart choice that will help you maintain stable blood sugar levels and support your overall health. Water is the ultimate zero-calorie, sugar-free, and hydrating option. Now we understand that some people may find drinking plain water a bit boring. But fear not. We have a few tips to make water more appealing and exciting. One option is to infuse your water with natural flavors. You can add sliced fruits like lemon, lime, berries, or even cucumber and mint leaves. This not only enhances the taste but also provides a refreshing twist. Experiment with different combinations to find your favorite infused water recipe. It's a healthy and delicious way to stay hydrated. Another idea is to explore herbal teas. There are countless varieties available that offer unique flavors and potential health benefits. Just make sure to choose unsweetened options or use a natural zero-calorie sweetener if needed. Herbal teas can be a great alternative to sugary drinks, providing you with hydration and a soothing experience. So there you have it, water, the most effective drink for controlling diabetes. Remember to stay hydrated, make smart choices, and avoid sugary beverages that can spike your blood sugar levels. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from this information. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos on diabetes management and overall wellness. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care, stay hydrated, and be well.